Welcome to the Graduate365 video on the Cohort Comparison by College report. This report allows me to compare graduation and enrollment rates of cohorts of first-time freshmen or new undergraduate transfer students by the college associated with their major when they enter the university. Let's look at how to find information for a specific population. In this example, I want to look at new undergraduate transfer students who enter the university with a major in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. I'll start by clicking on Enrollment Type to change the population of students. I'll select New Undergraduate Transfer. Now I'll click on College Entry to select which colleges I want included on my report. I only want to view one college, so first I'll click Select All to uncheck all of the colleges. Now I'll place a check mark next to HNS to select the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. The report will update with my selections automatically. Let's scroll down to look at the chart in more detail. The chart is showing new undergraduate transfer student cohorts from fall 2004 through fall 2023, where the students entered the university with a major in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Right away, I notice that there is a greater percentage of students who are not graduated and not enrolled in the spring 2021 cohort as compared to other cohorts. So I'm going to hover my mouse over that row to see more details. The green section of the row indicates that 59.8% of the spring 2021 cohort that entered the university with a major in the HNS college have graduated from the university. The blue section of the row indicates that 19.2% of the spring 2021 cohort that entered the university with a major in the HNS college is enrolled and not graduated. The red section of the row indicates that 21% of the spring 2021 cohort that entered the university with a major in the HNS college is not graduated and not enrolled. I want to investigate these students more, so let's scroll down to the table to view more details. Since all cohorts since fall 2004 are listed, I'll need to scroll down to view the spring 2021 cohort. Now I can view more details for the spring 2021 cohort of new transfer students who started with a major in the HNS college. If I compare to the spring 2020 cohort, there are more students in that cohort who are not graduated and not enrolled, but the initial cohort size was larger than in spring 2021. However, I can see that the spring 2022 cohort is already trending towards being as high as the spring 2021 cohort when it comes to not graduated and not enrolled students. So both spring 2021 and spring 2022 cohorts may be ones that I want to focus on. I want to save this table to Excel, so I'll click on the Menu Options button. Then I'll choose Export to Excel, although I can also export to CSV if I want to use Excel but have more flexibility with the formatting. The file will then be available in my Downloads folder within a few minutes. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about Graduate365, you can view links to additional resources in the notes for this video.